Welcome to the India International Travel and Tourism Expo 2014. The launch edition of this prestigious exhibition was put together at a grand scale in Mumbai this January. The venue facade, which boasted of several monuments from across the globe, made the expo set a new benchmark in the industry. The who's who of Mumbai attended and supported the expo. Among them, several senior ministers and Bollywood stars.
Thank you, Geeta. That was truly soulful and a beautiful, positive way to begin our morning. And another positive thing which has just walked in is the beautiful Neha Dhupia. May I welcome her up on the dais? Can we hear it for her, please? Thank you. Now to kickstart the event, I would like to invite Mr. Sumit Gandhi, CMD ABEC Limited, to give away the opening speech.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of Asian Business Exhibitions and Conferences, feel honored to accord a very hearty and a warm welcome to the grand launch of India International Tourism Exhibition, IITT 2014. On this occasion where we are witnessing history in the making, I would like to extend my gratitude to the distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, exhibitors, visitors for gracing us with their presence at this inauguration ceremony. Everyone loves to travel. In fact, one of the most notable aspects of the country's current economic recovery has been the strength of tourism and related industries. And I can't wait to look to a more beautiful and a productive future with all gathered here. Thank you and hope you enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you once again.
Well, we'll welcome now Mr. Mark Temple-Smith, Regional Director, ITE Group, to share his views with us.
I'm delighted and proud to be here today to join you all for IITT. ITE Group is one of the world's largest exhibition organizers, and we're also proud partners of ABEC. I'd like to congratulate our partners at ABEC on this fantastic first event. Thank you very much indeed. Please enjoy the show.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Moving on, it's time to invite Ms. Ceylan Ozan Erişin, Consul General, Turkish Consulate General in Mumbai, to come to the podium and say a few words.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Turkey is very glad with the partnership with IT, which is a big name in exhibitions, and I know the name from my other postings before coming to India. I congratulate IITT for bringing such a distinguished and privileged layer of the tourism and travel society here in India. I believe that the investments India is making for its own tourism is going to add to its tourism potential, as well as open the gate for the Indians to travel abroad and to travel to those countries which they would like to see. Tourism is not just about fun and leisure. Tourism brings people together, and the more we see people traveling both ways from India to Turkey, from Turkey to India, we witness how much common we have in our culture, in our history, and I hope that this trend, and I'm confident that this trend is going to go on. I really would like to thank IITT and IT for having such a wonderful organization again, and I wish you success throughout this upcoming 2 days. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I have to say to my distinguished guests and the people who are part of this wonderful presentation that I'm not an expert on tourism. My work has been on the diplomatic side and now on the political side. Let me tell you that the greatest heritage that we have in our country and the rest of the world is to respect the dignity of humanity. And these sites are a product of humanity regardless of whether you're an Indian, a Spaniard, or an Iraqi. So in that spirit, let me present to you the spirit of the United Nations, the spirit of the Indian heritage, and the spirit of the world. Welcome and enjoy. Thank you very much.
Good morning to all of you, and I am extremely delighted to be a part of this India Travel Tourism Exhibition, which is for the first time. But as we walk around the pavilion, it doesn't look that it is a maiden show. Travel and tourism shows have come to stay, and they are gaining from strength to strength, and all over the year we are finding quite a number of them, highlighting different areas, different themes, different perspectives. But the goal is common. The goal is common in the sense to see that how we really get inbound tourists to our respective states, countries, and how we also encourage our citizens for outbound tourism outside the boundaries and the peripheries of a nation.
India is becoming a major tourism player in the country. Everybody's eyes on India. Since India has plenty to offer. India has got hill stations, beautiful beaches, wildlife sanctuaries, 700 to 1500 worth of a coastal line. So India has got many things to offer to the Western world. I'm sure we all collectively together with all the association, with the help of state and central ministry, we can take tourism into a next level.
Let me really congratulate and thank the complete IITT team who has done a great job in bringing this whole country and bringing this whole world under one little roof in Mumbai.
This is one sector where you can actually sell anything. We have sold the White Run of Kutch, which is a desert, and there used to be nothing there 4 years back. When we went to shoot with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan the first time 3 years back, there was nobody there visiting that place. For centuries, people were poor, and then this happened. And when we went the second time about a year back with Mr. Bachchan, entire village, a village called Durado, and many of them fell at his feet and said, what you have done for us through tourism, literally said that today we can marry our daughters into more prosperous districts of Rajkot and more prosperous talukas of Bhuj. This is what tourism can do.
Please welcome with a thunderous round of applause Mr. Ghulam Ahmed Mir, the Honorable Minister for Tourism, Government of Jammu and Kashmir.
दुनिया के लोग जानते हैं कि कश्मीर भगवान ने, अल्लाह मियाँ ने दुनिया में एक ऐसा नमूना बनाया है जिसका मुकाबला पूरी दुनिया में कहीं नहीं है, जिसमें कई सारे हमारे बुजुर्गों ने कहा है कि अगर जन्नत का लुत्फ उठाना हो, जन्नत का नज़ारा देखना हो, स्वर्ग का नज़ारा देखना हो तो कश्मीर को देखना चाहिए.
Let's welcome the beautiful Neha Dhupia.
For me, I think travel is possibly the only investment you make in your life that leaves you richer. You know what? We have all in one country. We have our version of Switzerland, we have our version of Europe, we have our version of Australia, we have our version of wildlife and everything else you want to see in one country. And I'm extremely proud to be Indian. I'm even more proud to be a traveler, and it makes me really happy to be here. Thank you very much, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our chief guest, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Chhagan Chandrakant Bhujbal.
It's my great pleasure to be associated with this August gathering today morning. At the outset, I thank the organizer of this international exhibition for giving me an opportunity to interact with you. हमने सब स्विट्जरलैंड देखा है, ये देखा, वो देखा. दुनिया में कई कुछ एक चीज़ होगी, दूसरी होगी, तीसरी होगी. मगर इस हिंदुस्तान में जो है दुनिया की सारी चीज़ें जो है कहीं ना कहीं जो है उसकी उपलब्धि जो है आपको दिखाई देती है. सारी चीज़ें हैं. पहाड़ चाहिए पहाड़ लीजिए, जंगल, फॉरेस्ट, वाइल्ड लाइफ, ग्लेशियर्स, हिमालय, सब कुछ है.
Thank you so much. It was indeed a pleasure to have all of you on our inaugural panel here with us at IITT 2014.
My name is Pradeep Sabu and I represent Guideline Travels. basically 17 years old and into outbound travel for holidays abroad. Our major specialization is also into cruises around the world, and obviously the closest to India is Star Cruises from Singapore, and that is what is our major chunk of specialization, and we specialize in that as a product, as a holiday product.
The exhibition saw over 200 exhibitors participating at this 3-day event. Over 75 Indian and international hosted buyers came together to make this one of the biggest exhibitions in this space. And that's not all. Thousands of consumers looking to plan their next holiday were here too. With the sheer variety of options on display, these holiday seekers were clearly spoilt for choice.
This is Harsh Ajmera from Adama Hospitality. We are a chain of hotels. We're present all across in scenic destinations in India, and yet growing with it. The experience in IITT has been very satisfying till now. Out here we are meeting direct buyers, direct travel agents. There is nothing else. There are no other public coming in wherein, you know, we miss our target audience. We are meeting our target audience, and it is solving our purpose.
Best part about Make My Trip is it's a hybrid model. It's not only online, it's a lot of it is offline, because Indians, when they travel, they like to do a touch and feel for everything. They like to negotiate, they like to see and talk to a person. So I think we're online and offline, and that's what contributes to our strengths.
We are very much focus bound. We are very much in creation with the customer, you know, the satisfaction and the service which we offer, you know, we see that every customer is a happy one.
Very, very proud to be in the space that we are today. And IITT, even though it's its first year, I think they've done a brilliant job by getting in a lot of travel fraternity together. And we really wish them luck, and we look forward to a better IITT next year.
Costa Cruises actually is a very experienced cruise liner, been in the industry for more than 65 years. And from India perspective, we sell a lot of cruises largely in Asia and also Dubai and Mediterranean. I'm hoping soon Costa comes into India and we sell cruising from India.